It's us, coming to you live from the digital base. Tonight, we finally have taken the we have taken Digimon to another level. We've taken card unboxing to another level. A lot has changed. For starters, I've recently received both Scarlet and Violet, as you can see by that box. Tonight, we're gonna unbox the Digimon card game gift box 2022. Taking a look at it, well, I got it at Target, and not much has changed about it. I say we get started. Unboxing begins tonight. Unboxing the characters are quite easy. I've managed to take them out of the package. Here are the title cards on what fighters are going to be in the game. You see, the box comes with a dual party for Vmon and Wormmon, two of my favorite Digimon from the original series. It comes with this, with 5 card packs and 1 special gift box lucky pack. Let's see who's inside. I like to start with the new one first. And it looks like it's Sunriseamon. Typical. I didn't think it'd be this one. Huh. It's glowing. Let's see what the other cards have in store. Dragasonic Roar. Digimon card game. I just hope I get a better... Let's just hope it gets better. Here's Laser Cannon. Agumon. Torapiamon. Whoa, didn't see that one. Beedramon. Shadramon. X-Tyrannomon. Flamedramon. War Growlmon. Oh my gosh! Jazzamon. Cordramon. And Aerovedramon. Oh my gosh, I got Wormmon as well. Alright, War Greymon. I actually got that one in my collection now. I just hope the next one will be a blast. I haven't seen this one in a while. Gyramon, Commandramon, Paildramon, Patamon. Okay, I got that one. Flareizamon, Gilmon, Wingdramon, Vorvamon, Vidramon, Jazzarichmon. Remember I drew that one? Good times. Ooh, Metallicdramon. Never seen that one before. Huh. Let's see what else is in here. This is new. Snow Agumon. Airdramon. Crabmon. Growlmon. Sunriseamon again. This one again. Plesiamon. Dino Beamon. Lavoramon. Entmon. Oh my gosh, Dormicmon? Shoot! I never realized I get this one in my deck. Talk about a jackpot, am I right? Okay, then next up we have Crystal Paildramon, Godflame, Parasauramon. Remember I drew that guy? Cyberdramon, from the Digimon Tamer series. Godamon, Dark Tyrannomon. I got that on a field trip to the art museum. Voltramon. Wow. Groundramon. Jazzardmon. Babydamon. Azulongmon. Hyper Infinity Cannon. I feel like the metallic ones are rare. Another Agumon. Torpiamon. Beedramon. Majuramon. Got these. Never got that. Hey, Sealsdramon. Oh my gosh! And Chaosdramon? Huh. I didn't realize I get that in my deck. Sealsdramon from the Digimon Fusion series. And there we go. Those are all the new characters I got from the new Pokemon series. Well, Pokedigi series. That's what I'm calling it. That is the unboxing video for tonight. These are all the characters that I've been unboxed in the page. Looks like these rare fighters are going to be a perfect addition to my entourage. And, well, to sum up, I'd like to thank you all for watching and for watching me unbox these warriors. Hopefully I'll find more Digimon like this coming soon. And let me know what new fighter you want me gonna let me draw in the comments below. I'm always here, and I won't stop until I collect and draw them all. That's all for now, folks. Good night.